Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make pistachio shell flowers. So what we'll need are some pistachio shells. You can take the nuts and shells out on your own time. You'll also need a disc of maybe cardboard, card paper, a lid is fine, but something that you have at home. A plastic bag, some hot glue, acrylic paint, and you can use glitter, that's optional, and some water. So let's begin. First thing we need to do is we're going to pour the pistachio shells in a plastic bag. And then we'll put the acrylic paint in. About 2 squirts is enough for how much I put in, but if you put more, if your disc is bigger, you should put more squirts. So I'll just put that in. And I'll also get half a teaspoon of water. But you might need more if you have a lot of shells and a bigger space. So yeah. So about 1 teaspoon if your lid is about this big. I'm sorry, 1 tablespoon. And if your lid is about this big or your circle, whatever, it should be about 2 tablespoons. So let's do this. So I'll put it in. Yep. And now we're going to shake it all up. And if it's too liquidy, you can also put some more paint in. Just a little bit though, or else it won't spread nicely. And next we're going to shake it, of course. Well, not of course, you might not know, but yeah. So now I've shaken it, I'm going to put some glitter in and then shake it because like in the middle step, because we don't want the paint and the glitter to get mixed because we won't have enough glitter on. You can also use glitter glue if you want to, but if you don't have glitter, that's fine. So yeah. Now that my shells and my paint has been mixed, I'm going to get some cling wrap or anything you have, or if you don't want anything on your table, like I'm going to pour it on the table so it dries nicely, but if you don't want to do that, it's your choice. Put it on, I'm going to pour it. So I just whoa, did you see that? Maybe I added a bit too much water. I'm going to fast forward and clean up this mess. So I poured it all in and I have moved to a new area because here is a bit more windy. So yeah, I have poured it all in and they're still very sticky, and what we need to do if you want it good or else your base will end up bad, you shouldn't put it on the spilled paint. You should put it somewhere else. And then you should leave it to dry for about 1 hour if you're putting glitter in, because you're going to put glitter in like before the time's right. I'm going to wait about 2 hours since I'm not putting any glitter. So I have waited about 2 hours and it has dried completely. So I'm going to take these out, and some bad bases are like this. Like they're a bit stubbed over there. So yeah, we don't want that. That's why I said not to put it on the paint. So some of them fell on the paint because it was very windy. So yeah. I've taken all them out and I'm going to make uh a flower called a warita. You might not know that, but it's like a flower that's in Australia. You can make a lot of flowers. I know that some people make orchids, but I'm going to make a warita. So I'll show you how to make this thing. So sorry for that. thing that I was doing. I was just getting the hot glue ready, and I spent a little bit of your time. So you can just pack away if you do that in that time. So yes, I'm sorry. So now I'm going to get my board, or the circle thingy, I'm just calling that a board, and get one of my pistachio nuts. Then I'm going to get the bottom, put some hot glue on it, and stick it right in the middle like this. Make sure it's kind of standing up because that's what normally warriors do over here. And just hold it until it sticks because my one is like an extra sticky glue, so my one sticks pretty easily. So go ahead and do that and all four sides like this. Or you can do it three. I'm doing three, but you can do it four. I have no idea what you want. So I just cut mine because I wanted to make a mini one, but that's fine. I'm just telling you why I did this. And now I did three standing up. I'm going to do one a bit like for this one I only need to do one row, and also do it in the middle of these too because it won't work as a flower then. So you want to do a bit tilted over here, not as high as this, or else it will look not like a flower. So let's do this thing. So I've just done a little bit more tilt as you see here, and then in the remaining rows you're going to do a bit more tilted than the before one until it comes to an end. Well, I have one more row over here, so I'm going to do that and I'm going to show you my outcome. So here is the outcome of my flower. I only did a few rows, but it still looks spectacular. I can hang, like I can put a ribbon here and hang like it on somewhere. But I chose to keep it like this. So if you're looking for more things to do when you're bored or more fun things to do, go ahead to my website. It's going to be in the description. And you can also watch more of my videos. So bye!